Okay, so we bought this new Genesis, I believe it's an E310, and we're going to see if we can figure out how to set the gas up. Okay, so here's this little contraption in there. Let's see if I can set the camera up so we can show you. Okay. Okay. So, if you can see, there's a little clip here and a clip there where the gas goes. So, what you need to do is take your gas tank, and so you have the gas nozzle. Let's see, get this up. The gas nozzle needs to point that way. Like that. Now, if you notice, this goes up and down. This tells you the level of gas you have in there. See that? So when it's a full tank, the red line's at the top. So then I take this clip and secure that on there. So this gas tank is going nowhere. And then just take my screw this in here. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. What am I doing wrong? Okay. Gotta make sure that's nice and tight so that no gas leaks out. Nice and tight. Okay. Now let's test this out, okay? So, see, I got this on there. Let's turn the, you can see this open. All right, it's open. Let's see if we can get this baby started. I'm gonna go all out. We're going all out here. Move them all on. Ready? Let's see what happens in there. I smell it already. There we go. Just like that. Pretty cool. You can't even see the flames in there. Okay. That's how you set up the gas tank on a Weber Genesis 2 E310.